thought I would just explain a little bit about intermittent fasting. Yeah, that was great. Good morning, dolls. This is Lizzie. In case you're new here, I am the discount vegan. And today we're doing another What I Eat in a Day. So join me and see what I get up to in the kitchen on a day off after we were gone all yesterday, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I start off my day. It's currently about noon hour. I currently fast from 8 till noon, but because we were out late yesterday, we ate at about 10 o'clock at night, I believe, which is not good, but it's a rare thing. So now I'm not eating till about 2-ish today, and then I'll have some brunch. Okay, so I am still fasting. In fact, I am fasting for another 45 minutes. Hey, baby girl. And yeah, so the only thing I have been doing is catching up on a little work and having my water. And I thought I would just explain a little bit about intermittent fasting. Yeah, that was great. Anyways, so like I said before, I typically fast from 8 p.m. till noon, I believe it is, the next day. And in that time, most of it I'm actually sleeping, but in that time, I can have water, which I drink lots of. I can have coffee and tea as well, as long as I don't like have sugar or like a creamer or anything like that in them. So basically, just nothing that my body has to work on goes into my body during that time so that my body can work on cleaning out and detoxifying and just calming itself down, and doesn't have to work on, breaking down any food that I have eaten. So I have, well, it's 2:21 now, and I'm done at 3 today. I'm not saying it's always easy. I am starving right now. I want to make so much food, but that's probably because I've been watching a bunch of recipe videos. So, yeah, there's that. So, I'm just sticking with my water. You can't even see anything in that. I swear there's water, see? But either way, I will be eating very soon. Okay, so my fast is now over. It's almost 3:15, and I just finished doing the dishes, clearing my space so I can cook. So let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so after looking through my fridge and my freezer and my pantry, I realized I had a ton of potatoes that need to be dealt with and not a lot of fresh veggies. So what I did is I decided to boil some potatoes and then I'm going to fry them up with some peppers. But like I said, I am starving. So in the meantime, while the potatoes are boiling, I'm using this new margarine from Irresistible. It's completely vegan and it's budget friendly. I got it on not sale for like $2.99. So no name brands and lower brands, they are catching on, guys. And I'm so excited about it. And this stuff actually tastes really good. It kind of tastes like butter a little bit. So I grabbed some Daya cheese I had from a previous meal I made. You know me, I don't normally eat that many processed foods per se, but occasionally I do like a good grilled cheese and whatnot. So here it is. And I'm just gonna literally like nuke this in the microwave for a few minutes.
You ever need a snack just to buy time while you're cooking? I'm that hungry today.
Okay, so I'm in the final stretches of frying up these cooked potatoes and pepper. I have some garlic in there already, and this is chili powder because, yes, I want to kick it up a notch.
Okay, so I don't have a lot of veggies left right now. So this is what I like to call my brunch hash, which is nice and sort of spicy, I guess you could say. Just gonna put it all in there. There we go. So my breakfast and lunch, and then I'm going to put some olives on them because I love olives. Sometimes I put it on the side and sometimes I just put them all over. It's like whatever's whatever. And then I have some guac left, which I'm so excited about because I love guacamole. And a no-name brand called Compliments here just came out with a pretty pure guacamole. It has like little to nothing other than what it's supposed to. Put that on the top. And then sprinkle just a little bit of sea salt on it. Ta-da! And of course, my pièce de résistance. I can't go without. So, catching up on sweet, simple vegan videos and just eating my brunch. This is what it came out looking like. Obviously, it's going to be one of those tastes better than it looks kind of things. Spicy and creamy and so good. So I'm gonna finish this, and I will see you next time I eat something.
Okay, so it is almost my cutoff to where I start fasting. So it it's Sunday. I just made something really quick at the store. I didn't make it, I bought it. I got this Sabra hummus and pretzels and some gyoza with peanut sauce. And that is my day, folks. That's what I'm eating. Thank you so much for watching. Click that thumbs up button if you liked this video. And if you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell.